Hello students, today I am going to discuss with you chapter number 12 images, task 12a and task 12b. In task 12a, you have to insert images in your Word document. I am going to open the source files, so I am going with the books resources and open the chapter source files of chapter number 12. In this files you can find these files. So our main file is this snow.rtf, and main in this task we are going to use snowball, snowman, tree, and one picture we insert from the internet. I am going to open first of all this snow.rtf in Word document, and I'm going to save again in the Word document because this is RTF file and it is open in compatibility mode. For save as, we click on file and save as button, and I make a folder on my desktop with chapter number 12 name. You can give any name. If any direction is given in your task, then you have to give the name according to your task. I open this and I choose here from Word document. So first of all, I save this document in our Microsoft Word format. So in this task we have to insert the images. First image is snowball.jpg and other is tree.jpg, and one suitable image we have to insert from the internet, and the direction is also given here in your book how to import the online image. So we click here and I click on the insert button and the pictures from this device, and I open our folder where our source book is main source where our files are. So I go with here, as I open this path directly, I copy the path, and without finding the where I save this file, I just paste it D data Imran, so on. I click inside, these pictures are here. I click on snowball image and I click insert. Again I click on insert picture and trees, click insert, and one picture I have to insert from the internet. So I click insert and picture, online picture, and here I search snow. So many pictures you find from the internet, and which picture is suitable, so you can click on that picture and you just click on the insert button. This picture is not downloading from the internet. If internet is not connected, you can't download any image, and image copyright license, author license is here. So you complete your first task A. Now I go with the second task B. If we read this task, open the file task 12a. It means I already opened this. I click just save on this image, save this file, and again resize the image snowball to 8 cm height and maintain its aspect ratio. Place this at the top right of the first paragraph. So for our first thing is to resize this image to 8 cm. So our snowball image is this. I click on this image and picture format. Here is our size, but I have to give this size in centimeter, 8 space cm. When you click, it's changed to inches, and now it is in centimeter, but here you can see in inches because our main layout is in inches. Okay, so again I click here. If you click on this button, you can put this also here, 8 cm. And you can see here log aspect ratio. It means your height and size automatically adjusted. So our height is no, okay, I click okay, and it's same. Now you just read this line. Ensure that the text wraps around the both of these images. Text wrap is must fit both images because we have to move this image on the top the right side of the first paragraph. So I click here and wrap text to scale, and now I bring this picture to my first paragraph right side. Okay, and you also can click on position and more layouts, but you click if you click in anywhere. I click here again and position. I click on the right side, and where in the column in the left margin I click on the inside the margin or outside the margin in the right margin. I choose the right margin and click OK. So this is on the first paragraph right side in the right margin. Now our second picture is snowman, and in this picture he also want to change the height and also the width 2 centimeter wide, so 2.8 centimeter height. So snowman, first of all I have to insert this picture here. Insert picture snowman, this picture. The tutorial is also given in your book. You can see is here from here, and this snowman picture, how you are going to respect the ratio and height and width, you have to change from here. So you click on this image and again you click here, and 2.8 centimeter 2.8 cm, and in the width side you give the 2 centimeter. Okay, when I give the 2 centimeter it also move to inches. It's not a big problem, but in this second image you have to off this log aspect ratio and give 2.8 cm. Okay, now you can see this is not going to change, and now it is fixed 2.8 and 2 centimeter. Okay, the image size is okay. Now I go with the wrap around scale, and this is our second paragraph, and I break on it on the top left side, and again I click here and position alignment left side in the left margin. So now this is on the second paragraph left side in the left margin. Here is also the tips of the wrap around the text in your book. And this is given scare tie through, so there are the difference in also given the difference in your book about the wrapping, and what is the my what is the features of what are the main uh, differences between the scare tied through top bottom and behind the text. I also discussed with already in your class about these things. uh, so this is our task 12a and 12b. Hope you will get the all answers. If any question you can ask from me. Thanks for watching. If any question you can contact me, you can call me, or you can comment me. Thank you.